Awesome, I think I'm live, which is great. All right, welcome to this live. I'm not going to wait for anyone to jump on because probably is no one up at this time of the morning here in Australia. Probably isn't overseas, but this one's going to be a short one. I've just spent a bit of time trying to get this button to work on my little version of METATUBE. Now, this is just this. I'm not looking at making a business out of this. I'm just trying to make it into something that's could be usable for somebody else, or so you could possibly use it in the future. So everything I'll be sharing here, I'll be sharing all my code, how I done it, and so it's only going to be a short video, this one, but I'll quickly run through what I've tried to achieve with the METATUBE. So as you can see here, you've got just a blank screen, and all that basically does is when you load it, like I've already uploaded this to Bico Media, so it's actually live on the METANET, but it's just a test model. Okay, so so basically what happens is I put a 5-cent swipe button here, and I don't know what people would charge to. I see on Streamanity they're charging around about 5 to 10 cents per watch. So a content creator can easily charge around that price as well, 5 to 10 cents. So I put this one at 5 cents. Now this is a video from Derek Moore, who uploaded this quite some time ago, and I just wanted to use that one as an example. Now, how it works is basically you swipe the button, and then a play button comes up, play pause button. That's how I've basically done it to get this video to work. And a couple of other things that I've done is encrypted the video so you can't see where it's stored on Bico Media. So you can't right click on this video. You can look at the source code, and I'm going to show you that shortly, but I'm just going to demonstrate how this actually works so you can get a fair idea. So basically you just swipe that button, and then what happens is that another button will come up here, and it's just a matter of pushing that play button, and there you go. You can see now that that video is playing. The only thing is that once you scroll away from this video, go away from this video, go away from this page, and you come back again, you'll have to pay that 5 cents again to watch it. So
given that cyberbrains govern socialization, which do they favor, collectivity or individuality?
So I'm just gonna turn it down.
A new theory of heroism from the standpoint of a producer.
So as you can see there, the video is playing. I can also pause it as well. I'm trying to put some more features in where I could make this bigger or smaller. It fits to a mobile phone at the moment, so which is pretty good, but it's really messy at the moment, so it's not really 100% where I want it to be, but it's actually it's working. So like I said before, you can't actually click on you can't do anything. There's no controls on the video, so you cannot actually download the video or try and find out where that video has been stored. The only way you can copy this video is if you screen record. It's the only way you can copy this video, which will be pretty messy and quite a lot of megabytes. So I just wanted to go over some of the code that I've got in the background running. So if I just bring up the source code, excuse me, while that's coming up, we'll just make sure that everything's running on the other side. Yep. So here we go. I'm just going to show you the code where I'll put this video. So if someone did come to the come and have a look at the source code, you can see all the source code there for how the page works. As I said before, it's really messy at the moment, so just bear with me for a bit. So here's the first bit of code. Now you've got the video here. The width is auto, so that's when it was uploaded to the METANET. That was the actual size it was uploaded as. I believe it's a WebM file format, so not an MP4. So I don't know what that could be. And also, what I've also done here is I've covered up where the actual movie is stored. So if you came into the source code, all you're going to see is this line of code here, and you're not going to see anything else. So I've tried to encrypt where that video is. Also, I tried to encrypt the button as well. So like before, when we first loaded the button up, the pause button, there's that red one there that I'm putting my cursor over. When you first load up this page, that button's hidden. So I'll show you that again, so in case you missed it the first time around. Okay, so there's nothing there, it's blank. I want to actually try and put a thumbnail in there so people, see the picture of what's actually on this video. So basically all you do is just swipe the money button, and then the pause button, play pause button shows up, and it's now playable. Sorry for the moving around. It's now playable anytime, and you can pause it at any time. So that's how that works. It's pretty basic. It took me a long time. I'm shocking with code, and it took me a long time to just get that blooming thing working, and I finally got it working. So going back to the video itself, so that video there, you can't right click it, you don't know where it's stored, so you can't download it. I've actually hidden where it's been by encrypting it, and also the button here. It's pretty hard for you to try and get the button up and going as well. But if you do, if anyone knows how to hack this kind of stuff, please have a go at it and tell me where I could improve. But I think this will be a great idea for content creators now. They can actually store their information on the blockchain and get paid for it. And get paid for it without worrying about their media or items getting downloaded from the blockchain. So that's what I've done there. All this code here, I'm happy to share if anyone wants to look at building something like this, something like METATUBE or something similar, where they can upload their own videos and start trying to make some money on the BSV blockchain. So I'm happy to share everything I'm doing in terms of code and what you'd probably need to get yourself up and going. Other than that, that's all I have got time for today. Just the last thing that I wanted to show you, there's also this troll box here, and it's you can charge whatever 2 cents or whatever, and make more money for every comment that is put onto your video. So for example, swipe to watch the video, and I'll obviously just put my handle in there, Kwaba. and then I swipe that, and this is all on the METANET. So you'll see shortly there that it's been updated with my little comment. Like I said, it's still very, very messy. It's not where I really want it to be, but it's getting close. And the main things that I really wanted was that it's encrypted. So it's hard for someone to, or without any knowledge really, to programming knowledge, to download this video. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.